Hi viewers, welcome to AQC Group YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe our channel to get regular price updates of agri commodities, spices and vegetables in major parts of India. Kindly share this video to your friends and farmers. Now we are going to see today's onion wholesale price in major parts of India. Onion price in major parts of Maharashtra Mandi. Market auction place Ahmednagar, onion arrival 33,35,000 kg. Minimum price 6 rupees and maximum price 21 rupees per 1 kilo onion. Market auction place Dhule, onion arrival 1,21,000 kg. Red variety, minimum price 2 rupees and maximum price 18 rupees per 1 kg onion. Market auction place Aurangabad, onion arrival 2,56,000 kg. Minimum price 1 rupees and maximum price 20 rupees per 1 kg. Market auction place Chandwad, onion arrival 11 lakh kilograms. Minimum price 7 rupees and maximum price 22 rupees 81 paise per 1 kg. Market auction place Devala, onion arrival 6,50,000 kg. Minimum price 9 rupees and maximum price 24 rupees per 1 kg. Market auction place Kalwan, onion arrival 21,40,000 kg. Minimum price 4 rupees and maximum price 22 rupees 85 paise per 1 kg. Market auction place Akol, onion arrival 90,000 kg. Minimum price 1 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 24 rupees 11 paise per 1 kg. Market auction place Kopragan, onion arrival 9,70,000 kg. Minimum price 7 rupees and maximum price 19 rupees 99 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Laslagan, onion arrival 15,62,000 kg. Minimum price 7 rupees and maximum price 23 rupees 51 paise per 1 kg. Market auction place Manmad, onion arrival 4,80,000 kg. Minimum price 4 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 21 rupees 30 paise per 1 kg. Market auction place Nasik, onion arrival 2,91,000 kg. Minimum price 11 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 22 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Chandrapur, onion arrival 53,000 kg. Minimum price 13 rupees and maximum price 15 rupees per 1 kg onion. Marketplace Jalgan, onion arrival 46,000 kg. Red variety, minimum price 6 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 16 rupees 50 paise per 1 kg. Market auction place Pimplegan, onion arrival 24,87,000 kg. Minimum price 5 rupees 1 paise and maximum price 27 rupees 25 paise per 1 kg. Market auction place Pune, onion arrival 6,26,000 kg. Minimum price 7 rupees and maximum price 20 rupees per 1 kg. Market auction place Rahata, onion arrival 7,22,000 kg. Minimum price 5 rupees and maximum price 24 rupees per 1 kg. Market auction place Sadhana, onion arrival 13,25,000 kg. Minimum price 8 rupees 10 paise and maximum price 21 rupees 75 paise per 1 kg. Market auction place Umrain, onion arrival 17,50,000 kg. Minimum price 9 rupees 51 paise and maximum price 22 rupees per 1 kg. Market auction place Vaishi New Mumbai, onion arrival 5,81,000 kg. Minimum price 16 rupees and maximum price 23 rupees per 1 kg. Market auction place Vajipur, onion arrival 9 lakh kilogram. minimum price 5 rupees and maximum price 23 rupees per 1 kilogram. Market auction place Solapur, onion arrival 9,22,000 kilogram, minimum price 1 rupee and maximum price 25 rupees per 1 kilogram. Market auction place Kolhapur, onion arrival 3,15,000 kilogram, minimum price 5 rupees and maximum price 21 rupees per 1 kilogram. Now we are going to see onion wholesale price in major parts of Karnataka. Market auction place Bangalore, onion arrival 7,67,200 kilogram, local variety minimum price 15 rupees and maximum price 18 rupees per 1 kilogram. Market auction place Bangalore, onion arrival 3,28,800 kilogram, Pune variety minimum price 18 rupees and maximum price 24 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Davangar, onion arrival 28,000 kilogram, minimum price 5 rupees and maximum price 16 rupees per 1 kilogram. Market auction place Mangalore, onion arrival 29,000 kilogram, minimum price 19 rupees and maximum price 22 rupees per 1 kilogram. Market auction place Raichur, onion arrival 11,000 kilogram, minimum price 6 rupees 70 paise and maximum price 16 rupees 40 paise per 1 kilogram. Market auction place Ramnagara, onion arrival 17,000 kilogram, minimum price 22 rupees and maximum price 26 rupees per 1 kilogram. Market auction place Chikmagalur, onion arrival 3,000 kilogram, minimum price 19 rupees 20 paise and maximum price 21 rupees 20 paise per 1 kilogram. Market auction place Shimoga, onion arrival 5,000 kilogram, minimum price 20 rupees and maximum price 24 rupees per 1 kilogram. Market auction place Hubli, onion arrival 70,400 kilogram, Pune variety, minimum price 5 rupees and maximum price 24 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Hubli, onion arrival 32,600 kilogram, Telagi variety, minimum price 6 rupees and maximum price 22 rupees per 1 kilogram. If you like this video, kindly share to everyone. If you have any doubt, kindly comment below this video. Kindly subscribe and press the bell button to get immediate updates of our channel. Thank you for watching.